Hello，大家好，我们来学太极汉字。The first lesson is 太极。The first character we'll learn is the people. 人。人 is a very old pictograph in oracle bone script from over 3,000 years ago. It looks like a person standing in profile. So when we write it, so there's two strokes supporting heaven and earth. First is 撇 and then 捺. 撇 left falling stroke, 捺 right falling stroke. When we write it, start from the top to the bottom. So two strokes support each other. Without either one, the character Ren cannot stand. This teaches us that people need to support each other. 大人 this is adult. 好人 this is the good people. 人们 this is people. 人类 mankind, humanity. Then if 人 the people is standing in profile, then 大 is the image of adult standing front facing with arms outstretched and legs apart. It looks bigger. Looks a person opening their arms wide, showing strength and confidence. So this is the bigger, looks bigger. Although humans are physically small in the universe, they are great because of their thoughts and creativity. Therefore, a front-facing human form was used to represent big or great. 大 a person with open arms. 大 big. So when we write 大, so first we will write horizontal line and then 撇 left falling stroke and then 捺 right falling stroke. 大地 the earth. 伟大 great, magnificent. 大人 adult. 大家 everyone. So the character 太 evolved from 大. Its small seal script form, a dot or a short horizontal stroke, was added below 大. So this dot symbolizes the root of greatness or represents the ultimate of greatness. Therefore, 太 means extremely great or supreme. So 太 like 太阳 is the sun, 太空 outer space. So 太 is used to describe the most supreme and central sense. So greatness beyond great. So 太 太阳 sun, 太空 outer space, 太极 so we're learning 太极汉语太极 character now. 太好了 so too good, that means great, wonderful. Then we learn 木 木 is a tree. It's a typical pictograph. Its form and oracle bone inscriptions is vivid, looking exactly like a tree. and showing the overall shape of tree. And there's a middle vertical stroke is a trunk, and the upper strokes are branches, and the lower strokes are roots. This is 木 means the tree. So the building blocks of Chinese characters, radicals. Now we will learn radicals. So 木 is not only an independent character, it is also a very important radical. 偏旁部首, also known as a wood radical. A radical is like a building block of a Chinese character. It usually indicates the meaning category of the character. Characters with the mu radical are mostly related to trees, wood, or wooden objects, like pine tree, 松树, peach tree, 桃树, plum tree, 李树, table, 桌子, chair, 椅子. So, 松、柏、桃、李、桌、椅 all has the radical of 木，木字旁. So, when we write it like horizontal line first, and then the vertical line. So when we write, the stroke order is like always first horizontal and then vertical. First the left falling stroke and then the right falling stroke. So when we write mu, it's horizontal and vertical and the left falling stroke and right falling stroke. 木头 wood. So 树木 trees. 森林 forest, woods. 森林 so 森 it has the 3 mu in this character. 林 the woods has the 2 mu together. So now we'll learn 手 is also a pictograph. 手 the hand. And 足 your feet, your foot, your feet. 手足 when we say 手足 together, sometimes it means the siblings, because the siblings relationship is like hands and feet. 手足 brothers or siblings. And now we know 手. So if one hand is here, so there's a people, and so you can you like catch it. So this is like this character is like a scene. A hand grabs a person from behind. Therefore, the original meaning of this word 及 is to catch up with, to reach, and to seize. So 及 is a compound ideograph. 会意字 so it is composed of 2 parts, a person in front and a hand behind. A hand behind. So this is 及 catching up and seizing. It's a ideograph. So when we write 及, first we write left falling stroke and then complex curve. 横折折撇. Then the last one is right falling stroke. 及及时 in time. 及格 pass the exam. 以及 and 来不及 too late. So when we learn 及 So it's a 形声字. So it is has the radical of the wood. Yeah, it usually is the meaning part. And then 极 with the pronunciation part. Pronunciation part. So 形旁 is the radical of 木 and 声旁 is 极. It represents the pronunciation is similar to 极. So 极, the original meaning of 极 is like here, the top roof. That's the top roof. The, that's the uh, in the construction is the in the middle there is the big wood, yeah, support all the roof. So this G means the highest, the highest of the roof. So G also means the extreme, yeah, so the extreme. So when we write G, first we write left part and then we write the right part. Left right is 横竖撇点. So when we write move, the last part is right falling stroke, but when it becomes the radical, the last stroke of the move the wood is become the D and the dot. And then we write the right part 极. The first we write 撇, then 横折折撇 and right falling stroke. Now, 北极 the North Pole, 积极 positive, 登峰造极 to reach the peak to attain the highest level of excellence. 登峰造极. So now we know all the characters. So we'll talk about 太极.